creating blog posts that attract organic traffic in 2019 and 2020. Blogging is one of the most important elements of complete internet marketing because it helps you to achieve several goals, such as attracting qualified organic traffic to your website, increasing your site's authority, and improving exposure for your brand. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to create blog posts that will multiply traffic to your site for free. If you're using WordPress like us, start by moving over the Posts tab on the left-hand menu, and then to click on Add New. Step number 1. Writing the headline. Start by composing the post headline by clicking on the Add Title field. The function of a post headline is to grab the attention of users and to rank your site for the keywords that you target with it. We've discovered 3 elements that make a killer headline. Number 1 is a numbered title. Internet users love list articles, and they're easy to create. You simply have to divide the content in your post into numbered entries. For example, if you write a post about complete internet marketing tips, you can divide it into 10 different entries, each entry corresponding to a tip. The number of entries you got is the number you'll add to the beginning of your headline. In this example, we have divided our post into 5 entries, so our headline will start at 5. Number 2. You have to add a long-tail keyword that includes a high-volume search term. With this trick, you can rank your post on top of searches that target the keywords you include. It also helps users to identify your post in the results. Number 3. You have to add an actionable tease to your headline, such as a promise or a command. The purpose of this text CTA is to make your readers curious, so even if there are 10 other different results targeting the same keywords, users will be more inclined to click on your post. Step number 2. Building the content. In this part of the lesson, we are going to show you how to quickly structure a quality blog post. First, create an article that is long, between 2,000 and 3,000 words long. Search engine algorithms are programmed to give more relevance to long-form content. The explanation for this is that long-form content is elaborate and original. As you can see, the word count in our article is a bit over 2,000 words long. Once you hit the recommended word count, you have to divide the content with numbered subheadings to make it into a list article with separate entries. The reason why readers love list articles is that long articles are easy to read when divided in entries. Readers get the sensation that they're just reading short pieces, so they stay for longer on your content pages, increasing your site's relevance and authority. Step number 3. Optimizing your images. You can add images to your blog post to achieve 2 goals: to make the content more visually appealing and to optimize the images for search. Besides, adding images in the middle of your content decreases the load of reading, which improves the user experience on your site. The optimal way to add images to your content is to add a single image in the middle of each numbered entry. Let's show you a quick example. First, separate text in an entry after the 3rd or 5th paragraph by placing the cursor at the end of the paragraph and pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Now click on the Add Image button. Now upload or select an image from the media library. Now enter a high-volume search term or keyword on the title and alt text fields. You can also add a comment about the image or about the entry into the caption field. Now click on Select. Once an image is inserted into your content, center it by clicking on the Align Center button. Step number 4. Adding tags. Tags help search engines to recognize what topics are relevant to your site, ranking your content pages for searches for those topics. Because of this, we recommend you to only use general niche keywords, phrases, and search terms that are relevant to your blog post as tags. To add tags to your post, you will simply have to click on the Document tab to click on the Tags tab, and then to enter your target keywords in the Add New Tag field. Remember to press the Enter key each time that you enter a new tag. Step number 5. Setting a featured image. You can set a featured image to your post to increase visibility to image search results and to improve the visual presentation of your posts. To add a feature image, click on the Featured Image tab under Document, and then click on Set Featured Image. Now upload an image or select one from the media library. Add a high-volume search term or keyword on the title and alt text fields. Now click on the Select button. Step number 6. Publishing your blog post. Finally, make sure to proofread the article, that all your images are optimized, and that your title and subheadings are engaging and coherent. Now click on the Publish button. And this is it. We recommend you to keep coming back to your blog posts so you can update them as needed. How to get your YouTube marketing videos on the first page of search results in 2019 and 2020. Did you know that you can rank a YouTube marketing video on the first page of search results right after you publish it? There's a lot of competition on YouTube, and it can be quite hard to get the exposure you need to grow. But with this powerful trick, you'll be able to outrank all the other videos targeting the same keywords you do. Let's start by uploading a video to YouTube. Click on the camera icon on the top right corner, and then click on the Upload Video option. Now click on Select Files to upload. Locate the video that you're going to upload and double-click on it. Your video will start uploading, and you can optimize it while it processes. So let's do that now. Optimizing the video title. Start with the video title. An optimized video title has to be at least 5 words long, and it has to include high-volume search terms and keywords in your niche, as well as the name of your brand, product, or service. Type your video title in the title field. In this example, we are going to enter a high search volume term in our target niche, followed by our main target keyword. Now, to help the YouTube and Google search algorithms to better understand the relevance of your video, you have to add a video keyword to the title. Video keywords are keywords that YouTube ranks higher because they're targeted by the most popular videos uploaded to the site. Video keywords that we recommend you to use include review, how-to, tips, tutorial, cute, funny, and keywords related to fitness, sports, health, and lifestyle niches. In our example, we are going to strategically include 2 video keywords at the end of our video title. The tips keyword followed by a hyphen, followed by the tutorial keyword. This way, we will make our video appear on searches that target any of the 2 video keywords. Optimizing the description. Now you have to optimize the description. Here you simply have to insert your website URL first, and then to add a brief description that includes your highest volume search term and your main target keywords. Make your description up to 250 characters or shorter. This helps the Google algorithm to index the video more quickly. Adding tags. Search engines scan tags to index and rank your videos. The best way to add tags is by adding the search terms and keywords with the highest search volumes in the tags field. Publishing your video. Now that you have processed and optimized your video, you just have to click on the Publish button. Verifying your ranking. YouTube videos are ranked immediately. This is because the YouTube and Google algorithms give a very high priority to video content uploaded to the platform. You can check how high your video ranked on search results right after you publish it. Type 1 or more of the keywords and search terms that you targeted in your video title into the search bar, and then click on the search icon. As you can see, the video ranked at the top of search results for these search queries. You can also try checking how high you ranked your video over on Google.com. Just enter the same search terms in the Google search bar and hit enter. Here you can see how the video ranked on top of video search results. As you can see, this simple yet powerful trick will allow you to outrank anyone else posting marketing videos in your niche. How to compose killer social media marketing posts in 2019 and 2020. Social media platforms are a powerful marketing tool. On social media, it is easier to find active users that are ready to engage with your content, and social media users, when engaged, are easier to qualify, capture, and convert. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to compose killer social media posts on top social media platforms in 2019 and 2020. Composing a killer marketing post on Facebook. Start on your Facebook business page and click on the Write a Post box to get started. Facebook marketing posts are best used to drive traffic to external pages or content. You can do this by teasing content with a brief statement followed by a call to action. You can create the statement by quoting a quote from the article or text in the destination URL. The intention is to drive curiosity. In this example, we are going to send people to one of our content pages, so we'll quote the article in the link. Then we are going to add a call to action to encourage users to click on the link to continue reading. You always have to link to an external URL where users have to take action. There are two methods to add a link to your Facebook marketing posts. The easiest method is by pasting the URL below the text. Facebook will automatically create a clickable link preview that will appear below the text and that users can click through. This link preview will pull the feature image in the destination URL and will insert it to the post. You can delete the text URL from the post after the link preview loads. The other method is by adding a shortened URL directly below the text. To shorten a URL, go to Bitly in your browser and then paste the URL in the Shorten Your Link field. Now click on the Shorten button. Click on the Copy button to copy the shortened URL and go back to Facebook. Now paste the shortened URL below the text. When you include a shortened URL in your post, you can replace the link preview with a branded image, video, or infographic. To do it, you simply have to delete the link preview by clicking on the X icon, and then clicking on the photo or video button to upload your branded image or video. You can click on Share Now or schedule your post after you upload your custom image or video. Composing a killer marketing post on Instagram. Instagram is a visual discovery platform, so before composing your post, you have to shoot a photo, to upload an image, or to record a video. To add media to a new post, simply tap the camera icon to take a picture or record a video. You can tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen to access the gallery and upload an image from your device. In this example, we're going to select the product image from our gallery. You can tap on Next after selecting an image to continue. You can edit your image or video by adding a filter and adjusting other settings. Use these settings to generate a branded look for all your posts. By using the same visual effect on all your posts, you will increase brand recall. You can tap on Next to continue after you finish editing your media. Now it is time to compose an Instagram marketing post. Instagram marketing posts are best used to generate engagement, reach, brand awareness, and product consideration. Instagram marketing posts don't follow a unique structure like on other social media channels. You just have to include your target keywords and search terms, a call to action if you're promoting an external URL, and hashtags. In this example, we'll start by composing a compelling caption where we target product keywords and search terms related to the product in our image. To increase curiosity, we are going to open our caption with a question, where we target a product keyword. Next, we are going to add a relevant search term and a description of the product that we are promoting. Now we're going to add a call to action to encourage users to visit the link in our bio to learn more about the product. Instagram won't allow you to insert external URLs to your marketing posts, so you have to add your links to your bio by going to your profile and pasting your landing page URL into the website field. This is the only placement where you can add a clickable URL on Instagram. Now it is time to add hashtags. Hashtags are used to increase discoverability. You can add up to 30 hashtags to an Instagram post, but we recommend you to add a maximum of 9 hashtags. Only add keywords that are relevant to your post as hashtags. Always make sure to research the best hashtags for each post. You can tap on Share when you are finished composing your new Instagram marketing post. Composing a killer marketing post on Twitter. Start on your Twitter profile and click on the tweet button to get started. Twitter marketing tweets are best used to generate engagement, to drive website visits and sales. In this example, we are going to show you how to create Twitter marketing posts to drive website visits and sales. Now, these types of marketing tweets are straightforward, and they only include a call to action, encouraging users to check content or promotion on a destination URL. First, type a brief description of the content or offer that you'll promote. In this example, we'll promote an article about a product, which contains a link to a sales page at the end. So we will start with the name of the product, followed by a product keyword, followed by a description of the product. Now we'll follow with a call to action to encourage users to check the article, and we'll insert the URL at the end. Now it is time to add an image, video, or GIF related to the content or offer. Click on the Add Photos or Videos button or on the Add a GIF button to upload media to your tweet. You can click on Tweet when you are finished composing your marketing tweet. Amplifying your reach with a paid Facebook marketing campaign in 2019 and 2020. Facebook is perhaps the best social media platform to promote your business, and you can give an explosive boost to your complete internet marketing plan by running a paid marketing campaign on Facebook. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to amplify your reach with a paid Facebook marketing campaign step by step. Accessing the Ads Manager and creating the campaign. To start creating a Facebook advertising campaign, you have to access the Facebook Ads Manager. You can access the Ads Manager by going to http://facebook.com/adsmanager/creation on your browser while logged into your Facebook account. That URL will take you to the campaign creation screen, where you have to select a campaign objective to get started. Campaign objectives are pre-built campaign setups that are optimized to help you achieve specific marketing goals. Because your marketing goal with this campaign is to increase your reach, you have to click on the Reach option under the Awareness column. Now enter a name for your new ad campaign in the Campaign Name field, and then click on the Set Up Ad Account button. Next, you have to select your account country, your currency, and your time zone. Click on Continue after selecting this info. Creating the ad set. Next up, you have to create the ad set for this campaign. First, enter a name for your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now select the Facebook page that you are going to promote from the Facebook page menu. Now you have to set up the target audience. With Facebook ads, you'll be able to hyper-target your audience for better results. First, select the locations that you're going to target in the Locations section. To select the location, you have to type the name of a location in the text field above the map and to click on it to select it. You can target more than one location on a single campaign. After selecting a location, you can select to target everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling to this location. Now select the age of your target audience. Now select the gender of your audience. Now select the languages of the audience that you want to reach. To select a language, click in the Languages box. Type the initials of the language that you want to target, and click on it to select it. You can target more than one language. In the Detailed Targeting section, you can include or exclude people based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. In the Connection section, you can select to reach users according to the type of connection that they have with your page, such as people who like your page or friends of people who like your page. In the Placement section, you can select the placements where you want to show your Facebook ads. If you select Automatic Placements, your ads will appear to all users on all types of devices, across multiple placements that include Instagram and the Audience Network. If you select Edit Placements, you can select where you want to show your ads and on what devices. On the Budget and Schedule section, you have to select the budget and a schedule for your campaign. Select Daily Budget if you want to spend a fixed daily amount, or select Lifetime Budget if you want to spend your entire budget until your campaign ends or you deplete your budget. On Schedule, you can select Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today to run your ads until you stop them manually, or you can select Set a Start Date and an End Date to select when your ads start running and when the campaign ends. You can click on Continue to move to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad. Start by typing the name of your new ad in the Ad Name field. In the Identity section, you have to choose how you want to represent your business in your ad. By default, the Facebook page that you selected when you created the ad set will be selected here. Now you have to select your ad format. The ad formats available for this type of campaign are carousel and single image or video. Let's select single image or video. After selecting a format, you have to upload media to use on your ad. Select image if you're going to use an image. Select video or slideshow if you are going to use a video or slideshow. On the text section, you have to add your ad copy, ad text, and your ad URLs. Start by adding your ad copy to the text field. Now check the Add a Website URL box and enter your destination URL in the Website URL field. Now enter your ad headline into the headline field. Now add a brief description or value proposition to the newsfeed link description field. Now click on the Call to Action menu to add a Call to Action button to your ad. You can preview how your ad will appear on different placements in the Ad Preview window. You can click on the Confirm button to submit your ad for approval. Approval usually takes between 10 and 15 minutes. As you can see, running a paid ads campaign on Facebook is easy when you know the steps. Generating qualified website traffic with the Google Ads campaign in 2019 and 2020. You can significantly boost search traffic to your website with a targeted traffic generation campaign on the Google Ads platform, Google's advertising solution for advertisers. To use Google Ads, you just need an active Google account. Accessing Google Ads and creating the campaign. To access Google Ads, go to ads.google.com on your browser while logged into your Google account. You will be redirected to your Google Ads dashboard. Once in the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu. Now click on the plus button, and then on New Campaign. Start by selecting a campaign goal. To generate qualified traffic, you have to select website traffic as your campaign goal. Now you select your campaign type. There are 4 different campaign types: search, display, shopping, and video. Search campaigns allow you to serve ads on top of search results pages on Google. They're easy to set up and cheap to run. Select search as your campaign type. Now enter your business website URL in the business website field and click on Continue. Setting up a traffic generation campaign. Now it is time to set up the search campaign. Start by entering the name of your new search campaign in the campaign name field. Now move to the Targeting and Audiences section. Start by selecting your target locations. You can target all countries and territories, your current location, or another location. Now select the languages that your audience speaks. Click on the Select a Language field and select Languages from the menu. Now move to the Budget and Bidding section. Start on Budget and enter your daily ad spend in the Budget field. Now move to Bidding. Here you can select a different bidding optimization option and enter a maximum cost per click limit. The platform simplifies bidding for you by selecting the best bidding strategy according to your selections. You can also insert ad extensions into your ads. Ad extensions allow you to show additional information on your ads. You can insert site link extensions to add additional links to your ads, call-out extensions to add more business information to your ads, and call extensions to add a phone number to your ads. Next, review your campaign settings and click on Save and Continue to move to the next step. Now you have to set up the ad groups. Start by entering a name for your new ad group in the ad group name field. Creating the search ad. Now it is time to create the search ad. Start by entering your landing page URL in the final URL field. Now use headline number 1 to add a high search volume term, and headline number 2 to add a keyword-rich call to action. Make sure each headline is 30 characters or less. Now use the description number 1 field to add a brief description of your business, URL content, or offer. You can expand your description text using the description number 2 field. Now review the information that you added to the ad. You can create variations of this ad by clicking on New Ad. Click on Save and Continue if you're not going to create more ads on this page. Now type or paste the keywords, terms, or phrases that'll trigger your ads on search results pages in the keywords box, each one separated by a line. You can click on Save and Continue after you enter all your keywords to move on to the final step. Now review your campaign settings and confirm by clicking on the Continue to Campaign button. And this is how you can create and run effective traffic generation campaigns on Google Ads. How to create a powerful email marketing campaign in 2019 and 2020. No complete internet marketing plan is really complete without an email marketing campaign. Email marketing is still one of the most high-converting and cost-effective online marketing strategies you can implement. With email marketing, you can reach your leads and potential customers right where they're most likely to convert, in their email inboxes. Today, we are going to show you how to create a powerful email marketing campaign the easy way in 2019 and 2020. Step number 1. Prepare your email incentive. If you want to convert website visitors into email subscribers, then you have to set up an attractive email incentive. The most powerful type of email incentive is a lead magnet. A lead magnet is an exclusive piece of content that you offer to visitors in exchange for their email addresses. A lead magnet can be an ebook, video training, report, or infographic that you only send to people that sign up to your mailing list through your opt-in page. As you can see here, we have prepared an ebook with content that is not on our website. If a visitor wants to get the ebook, they will need to sign up to our mailing list. Depending on your type of business, you can also offer incentives such as discount codes and coupons. The next step after preparing your email incentive is building your email campaign. So let's move on. Step number 2. Building your email campaign. Creating an email list. You need to create an email list to collect the email addresses of people to sign up to your mailing list. An email list is simply a database that connects to your sign-up forms. When a lead enters their email address into the sign-up form, it is saved to your email list. The easiest way to create an email list is with an email marketing service. In this example, we'll use MailChimp to show you how to create an email list the easy way in very few steps. We chose MailChimp because it offers you basic email marketing features, and you can use it to capture up to 2,000 subscribers and to send up to 12,000 emails a month, all for free, so you can get started right away. Let's start on the MailChimp dashboard. Click on the Audience option on the top bar. Now click on the Create Audience button. Now it is time to set up the email list. First, enter a name for your new list in the Audience Name field. Now enter the sender email address that you want your subscriber list to see into the Default From Address field. Now enter the sender's name in the Default From Name field. In the Remind People How They Signed Up to Your List field, enter a brief statement to remind subscribers what they agreed to when they signed up. In this example, we'll remind subscribers that they opted in to receive the free ebook. You can additionally enable form settings, such as double opt-ins and notifications. You can click on Save when you finish setting up your new email list. Setting up a sign-up form. Now it is time to create a sign-up form to capture email contacts on your site. In this example, we will use MailChimp's built-in sign-up form builder. If you're using MailChimp, Click on the Create a Sign-up Form option on this page to get started. Find the Subscriber pop-up option and click on the Select button. Now you have to design your pop-up opt-in. First, select your pop-up format. In this example, we'll select Slide because it doesn't interrupt the user experience. Now click on the Display menu to select when to show your pop-up. Here you can select to show your pop-up to visitors immediately, after 5 seconds, after 20 seconds, after scrolling to the middle of the page, after scrolling to the bottom of the page, or on exit. In this example, we will select Scroll to Middle of Page. Now select your image alignment and font. In the Button Style section, enter your opt-in copy into the text field. A neat internet marketing trick is to use calls to action in the first person. So instead of typing "Sign up now," you type "Yes, sign me up." Now select Text Color, Background Color, and Hover Color. For the best effect, select white as text color, green as background color, and red as hover color. Now check the full width option to make the CTA button the same size as the sign-up fields. Now click on Add Photo to add the image of your email incentive to the pop-up. Now click on the Fields tab. Check the first name option, and then click on Required to make it a required field. By asking for the first name on sign-up forms, you can personalize the emails that you send to your subscribers. Now click on the Content tab. Click on the Body field to add a call to action on the pop-up. Now click on the Sign Up Success Message field to add a thank you message and the URL to claim your email incentive. To add this URL, click on Insert Link. Then click on the Link To menu and select the format of your email incentive. In this example, we'll select File. Then we'll upload and add our lead magnet to the file library. And then we'll click on Insert. Now that your email capture form is complete, click on the Generate Code button to generate an embed code to add the pop-up to your site, and then copy the embed code. Now you have your email list connected to your email capture form, and you can insert it to your site by pasting the embed code into your site's HTML. Recovering abandoning visitors with remarketing in 2019 and 2020. One of the most painful challenges a complete internet marketer faces is losing visitors and leads. The good news is that remarketing is a crucial strategy to implement on any complete internet marketing plan. What is remarketing in 2019 and 2020? Remarketing is a complete internet marketing strategy intended to recover abandoning website visitors and leads. Remarketing works by tracking visitors leaving a website to other websites they visit, where they're served ads promoting the website that they abandoned. Today, we are going to show you how to easily implement remarketing into your complete internet marketing mix. In this lesson, we are going to use the Facebook remarketing platform. By choosing the Facebook remarketing platform, we will be able to reach abandoning website visitors right in their Facebook timelines. Let's get started. Generating a remarketing code. Like we said, remarketing works by tracking abandoning visitors from the original website they abandoned to the websites they visit during the same session. To track website visitors from one site to another, remarketing platforms install retargeting codes on the websites that they remarket. The Facebook tracking code is called a retargeting pixel, and you can create yours from the Ads Manager. Start by going to facebook.com/ads/manager while logged into your Facebook account. Click on the menu icon on the top left, and then click on the Pixels option under Measure and Report. Once on the Events Manager page, click on Add New Data Source, and then on the Facebook Pixel option to open the Create a Facebook Pixel window. Now, enter a name for your new retargeting pixel in the Pixel Name field, and then click on Create. Your Facebook retargeting pixel is ready, and now you have to install it on your website. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to install the Facebook pixel manually, so click on the Manually Install the Code Yourself option to continue to the next step. Installing the remarketing code on your website. Now find your Facebook Pixel code in this new window and click on it to copy it to your clipboard. You have to paste this code between the less than head greater than and less than / head greater than tags of your website code before you are able to create your first remarketing campaign. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to install it manually on a WordPress website. Go to your WordPress site's dashboard, move over the Appearance tab on the left-hand menu, and click on the Theme Editor option. Now go to the Theme Files menu on the right and locate Theme Header. Click on Theme Header to access the header section of your website code. Paste your remarketing code between the less than head greater than and less than / head greater than tags, and then click on Update File. Now go back to Facebook. Enter the URL of your website in the Enter the URL for this website field and click on the Send Test Traffic button. Now confirm that test traffic is active. If test traffic is active, it means that you've successfully installed the code on your website, and you can now click on Continue. Next up, you have to add the events you'd like to track. To track and recover abandoning visitors, you have to activate the View Content event. Now copy the event code generated below and go back to the header section of your website's code. Paste the event code right below the less than / head greater than tag and click on the Update File button. Then go back to Facebook and click on Done. Setting up a remarketing campaign on Facebook. Now you can create your first remarketing campaign on Facebook. Go to the campaign creation page in the Ads Manager and select the conversions objective. Enter a name for your new remarketing campaign in the campaign name field below. Then click on Set Up Ad Account. Now select your account country, your currency, and your time zone. Then click on Continue. Now you have to create the ad set for this campaign. First, enter a name for your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now go to the Conversion section. Here select Website. Click on the Conversion Event box and select View Content. Next, you have to define your target audience. In this example, we are going to select the saved audience that we targeted with the previous campaign. To select the saved audience, click on the Use a Saved Audience tab and select the saved audience from the menu. Next, you have to define how much you are going to spend in the Budget and Schedule section. Select your budget type, enter the amount you are going to spend, and select the schedule. You can click on Continue after you enter all the information required here. Now it is time to create the ad for your new remarketing campaign. First, enter a name for your new ad in the Ad Name field. When you create ad campaigns on Facebook, you can use existing page posts as ads. In this example, we are going to select and promote an existing post from one of our Facebook pages. To use an existing page post as an ad, click on the Facebook page menu inside the Identity section. Select the page that you are going to use to represent your business in your ads, and then click on the Use Existing Post tab. Now go to the Creative section and click on Select Post. Now select the page post that you are going to promote and then click on Continue. As you can see, this page post has a shortened URL that links to a content page on your business website. You can now preview your promoted page post in the Ad Preview section. Click on the Confirm button to send your ad for review when you are ready. Your new remarketing ad will be approved to start running in the next 5 to 10 minutes. This is actually the easiest, most effective way to recover abandoned website visitors.